Yeah, buddy. Las Vegas hell. This is bullshit. My car's gonna be all tore up from the flow up. I'm gonna go. Well, I gotta go to work right now, like this. So I'm going to leave and toss when I'm bringing her car. All right, YouTube, subscribe. Get a bowl. Huh?
Mike's yelling about his car.
Yelling who?
He's yelling across to them.
Huh?
Yelling across to them because they're out on the porch.
Who? Here, give me a little piece of hell from the...
It hurts now.
You hear that?
It hurts.
Oh, fuck. Huh?
See the sky over there? It's pretty. Every now and then it comes down.
Grab a little piece from the windshield. That's what's falling?
Yeah.
Damn.
Check on the baby.
Crazy.
Scared, Daddy.
Huh?
He's
You
scared.
scary, Xavier? Alright, I'm going to work. Like this. Wish me luck. Hope I don't die. I drive a big 18-wheeler. Hope it doesn't flip over on me. Alright, you guys have fun. Bye.